Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete draft reels on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, access your Instagram and go to your simply go to this plus icon and simply swipe to the option called reel. And now you're gonna go ahead find this option called drafts on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and now we do not have any drafts yet, so let's go ahead create one. Right, and we're simply gonna go ahead save it, save draft. Okay, and we're gonna go back again, tap on this plus, go to reel section, go to drafts, and we have now one draft. Go ahead, tap on the select option on top, select it, and tap on this discard option below, and tap on this discard reconfirmation. And now our particular draft is now discarded from, aka deleted from our Instagram. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.